Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Nothing Phone 2a. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store app, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and here click agree and continue. Now close this ad and click allow, and now click consent and then click this button and then click OK, and now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.